Hello good people, I'm going to look at a number of examples that involve brackets. I invite you to try solving these questions yourself first and then continuing with the video. Alright, let's start from the top. Recall that when we need to solve a bracket, we need to multiply whatever is outside of the bracket with everything that is inside the bracket individually. So in the first case we will have 3 multiplied by 2a, that is 6a, and then 3 multiplied by positive 4, that is positive 12. In the next example, we have negative 2 multiplied by 4b, that is negative 8b, and we have negative 2 multiplied by positive 6, that is negative 12. Recall, a negative multiplied by a positive will give a negative. Next, we have 9 multiplied by negative c, that is negative 9c, and then 9 multiplied by positive 5, that is positive 45. Moving over to the right, negative e multiplied by 14 is negative 14e. Negative e multiplied by negative 2e, negative multiplied by negative will give me a positive, and I will have 2e squared, because e multiplied by e is e squared. Do not forget about the power rules. In the next example we have negative 5f multiplied by negative 7. That is going to give me positive 35f. Negative 5f multiplied by positive 3f is going to give me negative 15. F multiplied by f is f squared. Next we have 6 multiplied by d, well that is 6d, and then 6 multiplied by negative 7, that is negative 42. How did you go? Hopefully well. And because you have done so well, here is a reward. Another 2 questions. Alright, so in front of the first bracket I have a 4. So 4 multiplied by 2e is 8e. Then 4 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 12, and that is the first bracket solved. What do I have in front of the next bracket? Well, I have a negative 6. So negative 6 multiplied by e is negative 6e. Negative 6 multiplied by 5 is negative 30. And now I can group the like terms. 8e minus 6e will give me 2e. Negative 12 minus 30 will give me negative 42. What about the last example? Again, I have 2 sets of brackets. I'm going to solve each individually. In front of the first bracket I have negative 2 and then multiplied by f. That is negative 2f. Then I have negative 2 multiplied by positive 4. That is negative 8. And that's the first bracket done. What about the second bracket? I only have this minus. So what am I multiplying all these numbers, pardon me, what am I multiplying all these terms inside the bracket with? Well, there is an invisible 1 between this minus and this bracket. So let me write it in. And then I take that negative 1 and multiply it by 3f. That will give me negative 3f. Then I have negative 1 multiplied by negative 10. That will give me positive 10. Now I can group the like terms. Negative 2f minus 3f is negative 5f. Negative 8 plus 10 will give plus 2. In summary, when dealing with brackets, you multiply the value outside of the bracket with everything inside the bracket individually. Take particular care when you have just a minus sign in front of a bracket. That minus represents a negative 1. So in essence, you're multiplying everything inside the bracket with negative 1. This means that the signs inside the bracket will change. Positive values will become negative and negative values will become positive. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.